guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome. I know I look like a mess right now, don't even talk about that. This video is basically about me bleaching and preparing my wigs for install. I have 2 wigs that I'm preparing. I forgot to make this intro. I already bleached the wigs, but you already saw it. You're gonna see it later in this video. Yeah, so one is for a Halloween party that I'm gonna be going to, and my hair is actually not done for a long time. The other one I'm gonna be wearing for a birthday dinner, but I need to just prepare both wigs. But yeah, long story short, this is basically the intro because I forgot to make it. Okay, y'all, so this is the 2 wigs that I was talking about. The orange one is for the birthday dinner. It's not really for it, but that's what I'm gonna be wearing. And then the black one is for the Halloween party, which is actually today. Yeah, so I'm gonna also be doing a makeup wear test for the One Size Beauty product, so stay tuned for that video coming out pretty soon. But I got the black wig from AliExpress, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I got the orange wig slash ginger color from SHEIN, and both of them are pretty good, low-key. One thing I did notice about the orange wig is shed a lot while I was washing and combing it out, because I did tone it down with the purple conditioner that I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just showing you guys all the products I use, just so nobody asks me what did you use. I'm not no professional, I'm a self-taught, so keep that in mind. That's what I do. Yeah, like I said, I'm not no professional, so I just do what I do. Like what works for me may not work for you, so I'm just showing you guys step by step. So I think I used 4 scoops. I usually use at least 1.5 scoops, but since I was doing 2 wigs, I think I used 4.5. I'm not sure, but yeah. And then basically you want it to be like a toothpaste kind of like look, and then mix it with a developer. So yeah, so I just basically mix in there. It looked a little too thick, so I added a little bit more developer to like soften out the consistent. So whenever you feel like the consistent is how you like, or it's easy for you to work with, just apply to the wig. One tip I will give you guys, wear gloves, wear a mask, because this stuff does things. And don't do what I do. Like I said, it does things for real. And then plus try to add a little as you go. Don't add a lot at a time. Like you can see here, I add a little bit as I go, so do that. Don't add like a lot, because you'll have to make a lot more product than you need. It was so hard filming in this dorm, bro. I tried to work with what I got, but my roommate was helping me record, because it was just a lot going on, and there were people in my room talking. That's why I'm even doing this voice over, because we was chit-chatting about some stuff that you don't got no business knowing. But anyways, y'all, so I'm just applying it. Another tip I would give you guys: don't shove the bleach into the lace, because that can go through the lace, because it's lace, it's gonna go through it. Just do what I do, like rub softly, be gentle. That's pretty much all I can tell you. It's like very self-taught. If you think that I'm not giving too much detail, let me know. I can make a very detailed video, but there's a lot of video on YouTube. I can definitely recommend you going there to watch those if you think this is not very detailed enough. But yeah, just it's a very like self-taught, like watch and just see. Yeah, so be very gentle. I would say that a lot throughout this video, because I don't want you penetrating bleach through your lace and bleaching the whole wig, because it's just gonna look a hot mess. So yeah, I'm just like rubbing very gentle. Maybe it may look like I'm rubbing fast or something like that. I promise y'all it's not. I speed up this video like a little bit, but yeah, so just take your time and just you have to work fast also, because you're on a timer, you're on a time scale. Like if you take too long, one side of the wig will be bleached and the other side having it, and it's like you have to wash out the wig. You don't want it to bleach too much till the whole roots of the wig bleach. Like you don't want it like that. So take your time, but also be fast, and try to cover every part of the lace as possible. And like I said, work fast, because time wait for no man. And this is a very simple video, but that's both of the wigs being bleached already done. I was literally thinking how I'm gonna wash it out, but I end up washing it in the sink in the bathroom. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope. Hey you guys, let me screw back. Hey you guys, so I already bleached both wigs. The other one is hanging up so it can dry, and this one is like kind of dry, but I need to start plucking both of them. It's so hard doing wigs in this room, doing anything in this room, bro, I have to adjust to everything because I'm just used to use my mannequin hair, putting the wig on. Like, I don't have none of that. So I don't even know how I'm gonna show you guys plucking this wig, but I will try to insert at least some clips. If not, it is what it is. I'm gonna just show you guys because this video is just basically about me bleaching and preparing the wig for install, basically. And I'm preparing 2 wigs at once. So yeah.